My name's Elahim, I'm a bartender, and I love to imbibe. This is the channel where I make one-of-a-kind cocktails you haven't had before, and I take simple classics and insert my own special twist for those of you who don't have a full bar at home because, unlike me, you're a well-adjusted human being. That's enough talking. Let's get mixing. What's up, Chicago? This week we are tackling the Sidecar, and I wanted to make a drink that if James Bond and The Rock had a baby, that baby would drink this drink. And that drink is Debonair. Let's get started. To make the Debonair, we're gonna do a split base of Brandy and Overproof Rum. I'm using Bertouxbrandy. This was designed by Jeff Bell and Thomas Pasacek. It was designed specifically to be made with cocktails. Then I'm gonna use Stolen Overproof. It's 123 proof. And it's got wonderful banana and smoky notes. Lastly, half an ounce of Kalani coconut liqueur. I love this stuff. Gotta be careful not to swear. And we're gonna do 0.75 lemon. And then just a soupçon of Bittermens Tiki bitters. Just that little bit, just one little squeeze. Boop. Beautiful. Now for our sweeteners, we are going to do a bar spoon of Orgeat. I'm using BG Reynolds. You can make your own at home as well. That's on my to-do list. Just didn't have time this week. And this is a 2-to-1 Demerera Gum Syrup. The gum arabic acts as an emulsifier, and it keeps the sugar from crystallizing because you're doing 2 parts to 1 part. And it also adds a wonderful viscosity and kind of like a thicker texture mouthfeel. But you're gonna need a spoon because it is viscous. There we go. All right, lastly, we're gonna do our ice. Let's give it a good shake here. And double strain.
Now just sip and taste. God damn, that's good.
So, I know that this is the channel that my goal is to make cocktails you haven't had, but I do realize that a lot of people don't have all this stuff at home. So I'm gonna make you the classic Sidecar. That way at least you can get a start. If you don't have all this, or if you're not, you don't wanna buy all of it. But it's very good, and then you could, start to see what you like, what you don't like, if you like smoky, don't like smoky. So the Sidecar, very easy. We're gonna do 1.5 of Cognac or Brandy, Bertoux for me again. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. And very simply, 7.5 lemon. That's it. 3 ingredients, super easy, classic. Now, I love double straining personally. I don't like ice crystals in drinks served up. I really like how clean. I love like almost that cloudy texture you get when you double strain. But if you like the ice crystals, if you like it, do it. This is you making your things your way at home. And Orange Express on top. Rub the oils on the rim of the glass. Now you can actually toss the zest or keep it. The idea in keeping it is that it will continue to affect the drink as you drink versus throwing it away. The oils will sit on top and around the rim. So clean and bright. Well, there you have it, folks. The Debonair and the Sidecar. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. I almost forgot. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It makes the world a difference. See y'all next week.